Steven, Cruiser 427, small block Ford, description of this combination, got some of our CNC ends on it, Shelby block, rear sump oil pan, Borla all polished out, absolutely beautiful engine, Billet Specialties polished, great front end. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does, stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 473 foot-pounds of torque, torque 549, peak horsepower 581, the rate of 575. It's got the Borla cylinder head on it, so it runs really good. Pull a pipe back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple of things. See your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It's full of technical information. The engine will be this tag. It will actually have an engine number on it and some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code that'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.